Good morning, alumnos. This is Miss Fisher, your Spanish teacher, and I am going to make a quick video on how to submit completed Rosetta Stone time. When you sign into Blackboard, it always takes you to the announcement page. Make sure to go through these each week and look for any new information. Right here, I added some videos that you could practice saying your name. ¿Cómo te llamas? What are you called? What is your name? Me llamo Señora Fisher. These are quick little videos that will help you with saying your name. Me llamo, me llamo, me llamo. Okay, over here, you have your Rosetta Stone, and this is where you access to go in and start working. So I'm going to sign in with a student of mine from 4th year. Whoops. And there we go. Now, you're going to go to My Reports. This is how you're going to download your report and turn it into Blackboard. So you're going to go to My Reports. This young lady's in my Spanish 4 class, but she's working in level 3. So I got to make sure I'm turning in the correct level. So most of you are in level 1, so you won't need to change that. Then class started on September 7th. So we're going to go here to September, and we're in year 2020. And then it takes us to the September 2020 calendar. Click on the 7th, and then hit OK. And then you're going to create a PDF. And you're going to get this. And here she has completed 2 hours and 5 minutes. So she's going to want to take this document and save it to her computer. And you can name it whatever you want. You could put Rosetta Stone, hour 2. You could put it right here. You could leave all that if you want. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to save it to my desktop right here. You may save yours wherever. I don't know where you save yours, maybe in the cloud and documents. And then you're going to click Save. Then you're going to go back to Blackboard right up here. You're going to go to Submit Assignments. Okay. And then once here, you're going to click on Weekly Rosetta Stone Progress. And I know this is Rosetta Stone Hour 2. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to browse my computer. And then I'm going to put right there. Rosetta Stone Hour 2. Open. And there it is. Rosetta Stone Hour 2 PDF. And then hit Submit. And this isn't letting me submit it because I'm a teacher, but once you submit that, it will show up that you submitted it, and then you hit OK. And that is it. And then I will get it, and I will leave you feedback, and the points will go in to the Blackboard gradebook. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. And once again, you go to announcements. Make sure you read the announcements, watch the videos for additional learning. Click on Rosetta Stone, My Reports. Okay, make sure you change the date to September 7th. And I believe you're going to have to do this every time. And make sure you turn these in weekly. Make sure you turn your progress in, not weekly, but every time you complete an hour. And then create. Every time you complete an hour, make sure you save your report and submit it in the correct hour. And that's it. And then go up here and save. And we're going to say let's just say this is hour 3. Rosetta Stone, hour 3. And then I'm just going to get rid of all this and save. And there we go. Have a good day, everyone.